YouTube, this your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys right now for watching this video. Today is going to be a video of me taking the Flash to get an oil change. This is the 4th oil change that I'm going to be doing for the car, and it's really important that you stay on top of your maintenance and oil changing. But before going any further in this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up, and also look down below the video and click subscribe with your finger or with the mouse, or you're on the laptop, whatever. Make sure you click the subscribe. We almost at 2,000 subscribers. We almost there, y'all. So let's go. Honda gang. All right, so I'm about to take the car across the street to Honda. I'm at work right now, Ford, but I'm gonna take this car down to Honda, and yeah, it's time for an oil change. I'm very big on my oil changes. I feel like everybody should be very big on their oil changes. The smallest things keep your car going really long and strong. For those that's like younger, don't really be into, you know, the whole maintenance, or especially the ones that's really, what you call it, or even to those that really don't be on top of their stuff, even adults. It's very important to make sure you always update it with your oil changes. And in this car, I'm gonna show you what I mean. So if you look right here, I got no gas, really. I gotta go put some gas in as soon as I get out of here. But I'm gonna show you right here. If you click this button right here, it's gonna show you I'm on 30% of oil life. So what I do is, okay, let me see, boom. So for me, I never let my oil get lower than 30%. A lot of people wait till it gets to 10 and stuff. And it's all cool, it's to each his own, everybody's own preference. But for me, I just never get it to any lower than 30 unless it's like an emergency. But I try to just really be on top of my maintenance. I think it's very important that you stay on top of your maintenance, you know what I'm saying? So for me, it's really critical, because at the end of the day, it makes your car run stronger and stronger. If you wait till the last minute when you have no oil life, or you got like 10 and you just like, you know, bullshit with it and trying to push, at the end of the day, it's gonna give sludge to your car. It's just gonna damage your engine in the long run. And for me, I want this car to perform the best that it can for a long time, because I'm never getting rid of it. I have to do my oil changes, all my tune-ups, all just the major, minor little things, but it goes a long way. So I'm pulling in right now. From Honda. So yeah, so like I said to everybody, just make sure that you stay on top of your maintenance, man. That takes the car a long way. When you bullshit on the maintenance and you just like, I get an oil change later, like, it's gonna show in the future that you ain't been taking care of your car. So I just want to let you guys know, take care of the minor little things when it comes to maintenance to your car, and just fix it. Just take care of it. So it's very important to do oil changing. Oil changing, basically the oil to the engine. The engine is basically the heart of the car. Realistically, literally. The engine is the heart of the car, and basically the oil is the blood of the car. So the oil goes all through the engine. It's weird, it's crazy, but it flows all through. So that's just like a human being. If a human being blood is going bad and losing blood, pretty much you're gonna die if you don't get it taken care of. You know what I'm saying? So that's the whole thing with the oil change. And oil changing, when you always update it on your oil change maintenance, it really provides better gas mileage. So if you really want to save some gas, you know what I'm saying, or just keep your gas at where it's supposed to be, nothing lower, make sure that you are doing your maintenance. It's very critical and it's very important. So yeah, just a little. I just want to give you guys a little update and just on how to take care of your car without having your car go bad. You know, so. Just always stay on top of it. Like I said, just don't let it get too long without being maintenance, and just take good care of your car. If you love your car, you want it to last a long time, do it, man. It's very important. Like me, I don't play when it comes to my car, when it comes to maintenance or whatever it is. I just gotta get it done. And if you own a Honda, it's cheap as fuck. Like for me, it's like $45 just to get an oil change. And that's at the dealership. It's not even at like a, you know, like another oil change company or whatever. It's literally Honda, and it's $45. You can't beat that. So, like I said, man, make sure you guys stay updated on your maintenance and just get your oil change and everything. So, hope this video kind of helps some people get an understanding of why is it important to really do your maintenance and make sure you actually do it. Don't procrastinate.
Pickup 933 Navigator, 933 Navigator.
And don't let it go too long without getting seen. Make sure you stay on top of it. And yeah. So smash the thumbs up. We are out.